Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to live stream mobile games on TikTok without 1k followers. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily live stream all your favorite mobile games on TikTok without 1k followers. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store or your App Store. This works on both iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter the one that you are using. Now once you open your App Store or your Play Store, just search for your TikTok over here. Now if your TikTok is not updated, you need to make sure you are using the latest version of your TikTok application. So you have to make sure you update your TikTok application to the latest version. Now once you have updated your TikTok, just go ahead and then open your TikTok over here. Once you open your TikTok, at the upper right corner you have to make sure you click on your profile over here, and once you click on your profile, at the upper right corner you can see these 3 lines over here. Click on that and then click on settings and privacy. Now scroll to where you can see report a problem. Click on report a problem over here. Now once you click on report a problem, you can see under topics account and profile. Just click on that. Now once you click on account and profile, you can see the last option says profile page. Just click on profile page, and once you click on that, scroll to the last end and you can see order. Now click on order over here, and once you click on order, you can see so many options over here. Scroll to the last end and you can see need more help. Just click on this need more help, and once you click on that, you have to enter what I have already submitted over here. So you can see, hello team TikTok, I run an online store and sell my product by going live. I have been doing this on other social media platforms, but I'm unable to do it on TikTok. So can you please help me to do live stream without 1k followers? Now you can just enter, or you can just copy what I have written over here. Now once you have written this, just click on submit, and after 24 hours your account will be activated and you can live stream all your favorite games on TikTok. Now let me show you how you can live stream your games once this option is activated. Now you can see I already have more than 50k followers, but I'm gonna show you in case yours is activated. Just click on the plus sign in the middle over here and scroll to where you can see. Once you click on live, scroll to mobile gaming, and under mobile gaming you can see over here go live. Now before you go live, select the kind of game you want to play over here. So you can see topic at the top here, and you can see mobile gaming, you can see eFootball, you can see Subway, you can see Call of Duty. So you have to select the game that you want to live stream on your account. Now once you are done, if your game is not here, you need not to worry. Just scroll to the last end and then you can see other game. Just select other game and live stream your favorite game. So if your game is not here, you need not to worry. Just click on other game. Now once you have selected your game, just click on go live, and anything you do on your screen will be recorded live to your audience. So just click on go live and then select your favorite game over here, and by playing these games it will be live streamed to your followers on TikTok. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new